Hi there, I am Erick Salgado, CEO and founder of Builderall.com, and welcome to the 5 Minutes with the CEO. Today, I will tell you a business performance secret, and like every week, I will give you a quick report of what's new in Builderall. First, let's talk about the weekly upgrades on Builderall. Multiple image uploader. After listening to some photography professionals that need to create portfolios with hundreds of images, we upgraded our image repository. So now you can upload many images at the same time. Redirect system and do not follow page settings. A lot of users were asking for an easier way to create page redirects without using code. So now you can create redirects in any page just by inserting the URL on the page settings. And we also create an option for you to check pages you don't want to be indexed on search engines. Effects on mobile menu. We all know that mobile right now means about 80% of your traffic. This is why we are improving Cheetah's mobile version every week. This week I introduced the mobile menu effects. With just one click you can choose a very nice menu effect. Membership login themes. The value perception on the moment of registration and login is very important. That's why we create a few different high-end designs you can choose for your membership login and registration process. Box Pinner. With the Box Pinner feature, you can fix anything in any part of your page. You can choose a page location that will be responsive according to the size of the screen, or you can set it manually. Image Editor. This is one of the biggest upgrades we did this week. Now you can edit your images right there on the image repository, and you can create amazing effects on your images with a few clicks. Limited products with countdown on super checkout. Let's say you have some very limited offer. You can configure the number of sales you are going to have available in your super checkout app, and your buyers will be able to see and understand the real scarcity on the offers right there in the moment of decision. Chat Builder. This is an app created for you to have a group conversation on your website, a real chat room with your buyers and visitors. You can use that on a webinar page with a recorded video, a sales page, or a private group. Now, the performance secret. Focus on your strengths. Stop defining yourself over your weakness. I see a lot of people doing that, focusing and defining themselves for what they can't do. You need to define yourself by your strength and invest time and energy only on your strengths. One very good, amazing skill you have will compensate for some weakness you may have. If you try to fix everything and be good in everything, you may spend a lot of time and energy with no results. I'm not saying that you shouldn't try to get better at your weaknesses, but what I'm saying is you should focus on your strengths, so that one really good thing will compensate for every single weak spot you may have. For example, I know a marketer who is a sales page copywriter. He is really unfriendly, rude, talks to you only when he wants, and curses a lot. He has no skills with design, so you only will get a copy, but you will have to do the page yourself. You can see he's not a bad person, it's just his way. But when it comes of writing a sales letter, there is no better professional, even knowing that you will have to do the design to complete the job. Guess what? To hire this guy to write a sales page, it will cost you more than $50,000, and he has a waiting list of months. Again, one good strength compensates many other weaknesses. So what is your strength? Focus on it and start defining yourself only by it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you inside Builderall.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans. See the pages they like or use the video rap or capture they sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click and ooh, I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.